In this tutorial, I'll show you how to schedule posts in Canva. We're going to walk through the full process, step by step, from finishing your design to getting it scheduled and ready to post automatically on your social media accounts. Follow along on your screen so you can do this in real time. First, you need a finished design. So start inside Canva with your social media graphic open in the editor. This could be an Instagram post, a Facebook post, a Pinterest graphic, or any other social media format. Make sure your design is complete. Check your text, your images, your colors, and any branding elements like logos or handles. If you need to adjust the size of your text or move elements around, do that now. The idea here is that once you schedule the post, you do not have to come back and edit it again. When you are happy with the design and everything looks good in the editor, you are ready for the next step. Now look toward the top right corner of the Canva editor and click the Share button. This is the same button you would normally use to download or share your design. When you click Share, you will see several options for how you can export or publish your design. This is where Canva hides the scheduling tools, so you always start from the Share menu when you want to schedule posts. From here, you want to find and select the Schedule option. Sometimes this might be labeled as Schedule or Schedule to Social depending on your version, but it will always be related to posting at a later time. If you do not see it right away, you might need to scroll, swipe, or tap something like See All to expand the list of options. Keep looking in that Share menu until you see the Schedule option, then click on it. Once you select it, Canva will open a new panel or window where you can set up the scheduled post. Next, you will set the date and time for your post. In the scheduling window, you will see a calendar and a time picker. First, click on the date when you want your post to go live. Then choose the time that works best for your audience. Canva uses your local time zone, so you can set it to whatever time you want without doing any time zone conversion. Take a second to confirm that the date and time are correct, especially if you are planning multiple posts or a campaign. When you are happy with your selection, tap or click Next to move forward. Now you need to connect your social media channel. On the next screen, click Select a channel. Canva will show you a list of supported platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and other social networks that can be connected. Choose the platform where you want this design to be posted. If this is the first time you are connecting that account to Canva, you will be asked to log in. Enter your login details for that social media platform and follow any prompts to authorize Canva to post on your behalf. Once you connect it, Canva will remember that account for future scheduled posts, so next time this part will be much faster. After your channel is selected and connected, you will see it listed as the destination for your scheduled post. From here, you are ready to add the final details and schedule your post. In the caption box, write the text you want to appear with your image when it publishes. This could be your main message, a call to action, relevant hashtags, or any links you want to include depending on the platform. Keep it clear and aligned with the design you created. If you are posting to Facebook and you manage multiple pages, make sure you select the specific page you want to publish to. Canva will usually show a drop-down or list of pages connected to your profile. Choose the correct page so the post goes to the right place. Now double-check everything one more time. Confirm the design preview looks correct, the date and time are what you want, the channel is the right account, and the caption says exactly what you need. When everything is ready, click Schedule Post. Canva will save your settings and lock in that schedule so your post will automatically publish at the date and time you selected to the channel you chose. That is all you need to do to schedule posts in Canva. You finish your design, click Share, select Schedule, set your date and time, connect your channel, add your caption and details, then click Schedule Post. From here, you can repeat the same process for future designs and build out a full content plan directly inside Canva without needing separate scheduling tools.